right, we're going to do an unboxing. Clue card inside. Ooh. Open first. Ooh, I love this kind of stuff. Ooh, I love mysteries. Can you guess the character inside the capsule? Let's open this up then. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh shoot. This is a lot more than what I thought it was. Morse code for your walkie-talkie. Easy to read and easy to learn. I'll be back. I had to grab my chair. Part 1, part 2, part 3. And part 4. Need a pencil. Clue number 1. Okay, wait a minute. I think I'm doing this wrong. I have to do this then. Got it. Okay, now we can do it. So, I must be doing something wrong, or I'm just gonna move on from the Morse code thing. Open these up, and inside was this. And these 2 bags. A walkie-talkie. Okay, I got Dustin. Sweet. So these stickers. Push this in like that, which is super awesome. Ah, there we go. Locked in place. Nice. Look at that. Those are cool.